welcome back to AD's little shed shop. And might I say, Happy New Year. Hopefully, we're going to have a good year this year. It is that time of year though, where obviously people are finding things in a bit of a pinch, I suppose, and mental health takes a bit of a hit. It's a hard thing to look after, is your mental health. But if you can, brilliant. If you can't, there's a few ways to help. Personally, my favourite is a little website I found, and it prompted me to get some presents for some family members. And when they turn up in this envelope. Well, that's not an envelope, it's a bag, and this bag, which, by the way, I am not sponsored for this video. It is not sponsored at all. It's just my personal opinion. I like the message the website gives, so I want to spread the word for them, of them, because it's a good message. And unusual, really, for a clothing company, to be fair. Inside that pink bag, you get a shirt. Inside that shirt, as you do with all shirts, you get a piece of cardboard. But inside this one, you get this piece of cardboard. Now, it tells you to share while you wear, which is pretty cool. What this company does is, if you buy one of their shirts, which is called a shit shirt, by the way, because I want to be part of the shit shirt club, if you share while you wear and get 20 likes, they'll send you a free shirt. That's impressive. It says it all on here, which you get inside your shirt. Brilliant. I don't do Facebook or Twitter or the Instagram accounts and things that these want to see it on. I do YouTube. As you know, you're watching me. So if you could give me a like, I don't know if they'd give me a free t-shirt, but you know, hey, it's worth a go, right? I need 20. I'd be quite happy. I love a shit shirt. That tells you how to do that. But on the other side, on this purple side, the most important side, this is their message. The mental health toolkit. You have do's. Here's what you can do to keep your mind as snazzy as your wardrobe. Quick change. Wonders of editing. Well, that took a lot longer than what it should have done. This is my shit shirt. This is their logo. It's the Shit Shirt Club. I'm a member. I have a shirt. Anyway, purple side of the card. The important side. The mental health toolkit. Do's. Here's what you can do to keep your mind as snazzy as your wardrobe. Privacy. Schedule daily me time away from the noise. I think that's a great thing to do. Everyone needs time to themselves. Movement. Start with a 10-minute walk. Feel those endorphins. Yeah, endorphins. I go to the gym. Not many people can go to the gym. I mean, not everyone can go to the gym. People pay to go to the gym and don't go to the gym. Dicks. And then you've got people that want to go to the gym but can't go to the gym because they can't afford to go to the gym. And those people that can afford to go to the gym don't go to the gym. Achievements. Set small daily goals. And celebrate your mini victories. My daily goal: don't eat so much chocolate. My mini victory: I didn't eat so much chocolate. Yay! Food and drink. Fancy something sweet? Call a friend instead. If you're lucky and have friends. My mental health suffered when I got injured at work, and it suffered when my memory started going. You lose friends. Talk to a friend. The only friend I have is my wife. She's my best friend, Mrs. Shedshop. I don't think it's fair to always talk to the same person. So if you are unfortunate like me, where you don't have friends, why not send me a message? Send me a comment, I'll chat with you. Everyone needs someone to talk to. Sleep. An hour before bed, ditch the telly for a good book. Jog on. Okay, I love TV. I don't read things. This is the most reading I have done in years, isn't it, darling?
Yes.
Exactly, see? You got your don'ts. Avoid these pitfalls to keep your mindset as dazzling as my shirt. Exactly. You need to check out the website. It's got some of the coolest, shittest shirts on. And I think it's actually got some of the nicest cool shirts on it too. And they're not stupidly expensive. And you can even join a subscription service where it's £20 a month. I don't know what that is for America or the rest of the world. It's £20 a month. And they do ship to the rest of the world, which is surprising. They're only a small company as far as I'm aware. Anyway, it's a small company, but they send around the world. Everyone can join the Shit Shirt Club. Yeah, put a smile on someone else's face. So, go with the don'ts. Avoid these pitfalls to keep your mindset as dazzling as your shirt, my shirt, remember that? Yeah, so security, don't dwell on worries, add yet to your worries. I haven't figured it out yet. That's a woodworker's saying, isn't it? I haven't figured it out yet. Yeah. Status, avoid constant critics and seek constructive feedback. I'm quite lucky. I don't need to seek constructive feedback. I have my wife of 21 years to criticise and give me constructive feedback all at the same time. It's quite nice. Get yourself a wife. She will be your friend and your bully. It's great. Community. Don't stay isolated. Join a choir or a local sports club. I missed that bit clearly. Join a choir or a local sports club. Join a local sports club. What I do to pick up my mood is I do this. I go cycling. That's my local sports park in Colchester. It's fantastic. No potholes, no cars, no people. Just flat, unadulterated tarmac. Wonderful, 1 mile course. I love bikes, they're my first love. Playing in my Shedshop's my second. I love you too, darling.
Bloody better.
Where did we get to? Yes, so attention. A date night? Phones off the table, mate. I agree. Control. Focus on your path, not on controlling others. Okay, I have no idea what that means. Meaning and purpose. Don't stagnate. Offer your skills and volunteer. I like that. It's a good way to make friends, I suppose. Good way to meet people. And right in the centre, stress. Ha! That's just nature. Dropping a hint about emotional needs. I know. We are men. I was born in the 80s, brought up through the 90s. I know. Men don't talk about their emotional needs. It's just the way we was brought up. You're feeling sad? Peh, shut up, you big wimp. Yeah, grow some chest hair. That'll take care of it. Grow a beard. Bosh. That'll take care of it. It's not the way to do it. You don't bottle it up, do you? No. If you've got someone to talk to let it out, do it. All part of our vibe to gear up for life's wild ride. This thing's brilliant. The fact it turns up in a ridiculous bag. Actually, that came inside another bag, didn't it? Which was another ridiculous bag. Because I bought quite a few for members of my family. At the moment, this shirt, would you believe, is £9.99. I can't remember what the postage is, but less than £10. It's nice material. It is nice material, actually. It's got a tiny bit of stretch. But this is an extra large. Me and the boy, we wore ours Christmas Day. I'll put a picture, I don't know, here maybe somewhere. It was good. Why not was the question. Oh, people, why not? Does it put a smile on your face? I love these. Shit shirts put a smile on people's faces, puts a smile on your own face. What's the cost of mental health? If you can stave it off for a few days every time you put a shirt on for less than a tenner. If that's the case, why not? Find a group of something that you enjoy. That's the biggest mental health beater. It doesn't have to be something that costs money. It doesn't have to be something that costs lots. If you can, join a gym. Fitness for less. If you can't afford to go to the gym, they have a fantastic charity part called, I think it's Friends of Fitness or Friends for Fitness. I will put a link in the description. It's fantastic. That's how I've managed to go to the gym. Thank you, Matt, the manager from our gym. Thank you for watching Age's Little Shed Shop. Hopefully this year we're going to have some cool things to make. I've got some great ideas. I need to make a door knocker for my shed shop because I come in, I lock the door and people just stand there outside. But thank you for watching. Like, please, so I can see if I can get a new t-shirt for free. A new t-shirt? It's a shirt, see? It's got buttons. It's a shirt. See if I can get a shirt for free. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Forgot where I was going there. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you.